Okay, so when we come to vectors, okay, vectors have magnitude and direction. Okay, what is magnitude? So magnitude refers to the length or distance, right? So vector also have a sense of direction. It will tell me that it's going from where to where. I have 4 representations of vectors, and let's look at them individually. Okay, so for this first one, this is a direction. The direction is from A to B. So how I indicate it is, I put A and B, and I will put an arrow. So this is the first representation. If I want the opposite direction, meaning from B to A, okay, I will still write where I start from, and I will write where I end. And the direction arrow is always pointing to the right. Second one is the bold letter. Okay, you will see a lot in your textbook, in your exam questions. But we can't possibly bold our answers in exam, right? So if they give you bolded C, how can you represent it? If they bold your C, just simply write C, but put this squiggly, curly, wormy line. Small capital letter, and I put a squiggly line. So you have to know that this is the starting point, this is my ending point. Even though they never indicate it, but you should know where does it start and where it ends. About one representation is the column vector, which means there's only one column. Okay? You need to know what 2 and -3 refers to. Okay? In vectors, it's related to coordinates. So 2 is my x, -3 is my y. Okay. So how does this look like? If I start from this point A and I want to draw the vector, I need to know what is the change in my x and change in my y. Let's focus on change in x. It is 2, right? So what it means is it's gonna add 2 to x. Okay, meaning x is going horizontally. I will add 2 to my x. For my y, okay, it's a -3. So I am changing y -3. -3 means going up or going down? Going down. So -3 will be like this. Then what is my vector? Just join my starting point and ending point. Draw one straight line. So this is my vector 2, -3. The last representation is the arrow. Basically, if they show you a arrow with nothing, okay, so they may not label anything, but you should know this is also a vector. So in all, these are my 4 representations of vectors.